So one of the weaknesses people have is real-time support resistance. They might have levels before the market opens, but how about after market opens? We have a 60-minute vertical, this one right in here, which is showing us where there are long and short positions in the market over the last 60 minutes. Works as really good support, subsequent support resistance. Look at this one down in here. You're going to see me circle it in real time. It was around 23 even, 22 half. And the market kind of sort of uses it as support there, but it uses it a couple more times before it doesn't. And this is the most important real-time support resistance. I mean, real-time support resistance is the best because it's support for a reason. There's a dynamic and fundamentals that make it support, but not everybody is privy to it. Because if everybody's privy to a very popular support level, it usually doesn't work. So as we fast forward through it, I want you to watch. This is a popular area right there of people who are long over the last hour. And we go down, boom, right to it, and it's defended, and we bounce. It's good support. We rally. Now we rally a lot. That's like a 7-point rally. So now I'm throwing up this yellow shade to say, hey, it held the middle of it. So now you got to watch the 22s being good support because it's not going to work as support forever. It's just not. And the market finally has old support, new resistance. And then when we had this big break, where the heck was it? You guys know where it was because I started talking about, well, it might have been after we did the recording, but I started talking about now the open is in play. But the bulls just were kind of weak. They really were. They had a chance to take us up. They threw out a lot of volume in this 28 area, and then they just couldn't hold where there were some popular longs, and that was this 22 half area. Most people don't have this on their chart, let alone know how to read it. So you want real-time support resistance. First of all, you have to know why support works when it works. So you have to know why support resistance is good and what dynamics are at play to make support and resistance work. And then you want support resistance where that dynamic exists, but yet it's not obvious to most of the rest of the markets, because if it is, and you have a line in the sand and this line is support and you think the market's going to stop there and rally from it, and everybody thinks that that's going to happen. Now you got everybody trying to buy it. And you think, oh, that's good. But after they buy it, they're a seller because after you're long, you have to sell it to cover that position and you're getting the competition. It's like you're looking for females and you go into a bar and there's 2 girls and 30 guys. You might want to go to another bar.